Ask everybody to join fast. Rama, what was the last thing that we did? Rama?
Lecture 5 PPT completed.
Lecture 5 PPT. What was in that?
Ma'am, matrix means no solution, unique solution, infinite solution. वो क्वेश्चन में सबकी वैल्यूज निकालनी थी
You
मतलब
also explain the non-homogeneous also.
Okay. So I assume that you are comfortable in all of it.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Kind of, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm giving you a quick revision, and then we will move to the next aspect of it.
Okay.
Okay. Just I'm sharing my screen. Not this. Is it visible? No. Yes. No.
Yes, ma'am.
What is visible? Properties
Graphs.
of. Oh. Okay. I'm resharing it.
Area.
This is not the one. Okay. I'm resharing it. Just hold on. I think visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So the last thing that we did was to check when we
Ma'am,
will
you
get. Yes, beta. I hope it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So last thing that we had discussed was when will you get the solution, right? So what we need to focus on to get a solution? I'm just revising it. Just try and understand. We need to know the rank. We need to know the rank of A, and then we need to know the rank of augmented matrix, right? If they are equal, then we think of solution. Okay. Now when do we get infinitely many? And this holds after this. If rank is less than n, then you will get infinitely many solution. If rank is equal to n, you are getting unique solution, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So just keep
Yes,
this
ma'am.
in mind. And when you were dealing with homogeneous equation, what was the situation? To get non-trivial solution, what is the requirement? That rank should be less than n.
Less than n.
When you have r is equal to n, it is always a trivial solution. And what is that?
0 is the solution.
Yes, all zeros is the solution. So now keep this thing in mind, and we will focus on today's topic. And the topic for today is how to use this knowledge of rank to solve the equation. There are two ways of doing it. One is Gauss elimination and other one is Gauss Jordan. So let's focus on that. Solution of system of linear equations by Gauss elimination method and Gauss-Jordan method. There are very similar methods. I just want you to go through it. In Gaussian elimination method, the coefficient or augmented matrix reduces into upper triangular matrix and then solve for unknowns by back substitution. I hope you understand what is back substitution because we have used it many times when we were doing echelon form. Right? Do you understand back substitution?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is Gauss-Jordan elimination method. In Gauss-Jordan elimination method, this is important, I want you to focus on. See this part. The coefficient matrix reduces into normal form using finite number of elementary row operations. Okay? Here we only change it in upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. That's all. Okay? And what we do in Gauss-Jordan? We change into normal matrix by using finite row operations, elementary row operations, and the number should be finite. It's not that you keep on doing it and doing it and doing it. So what is the difference between this and this? Here you are using backward substitution, and in this case, since you are converting it in normal form, you get the answer directly. How? Just let me show you. Suppose you are able to convert it like this. Suppose this is your output. This may be your coefficient matrix. So I'm writing it in this form. And after doing row operation, since you are doing it in augmented matrix, everything is happening here. Suppose this is the output that you are getting after doing all the elementary operations. In this, you are able to get x, y, z in one step. Here, this row when multiplied by this column gives you x. This row when multiplied by this column gives you y. And this row when multiplied by this gives you z. Now what does this mean? Suppose you have this kind of situation. Suppose this is your upper triangular matrix. I am doing thing in which you are getting all the values unique. Okay. This is your upper triangular matrix. Or make it B1, B2, B3. Right? What kind of matrix is this? This is upper triangular. And what kind of matrix is this? This is normal matrix. Okay. So this represents Gauss-Jordan. This represents Gauss elimination. What will be the output here? Z will give you B3. This row multiplied by this. This row multiplied by this will give you Y plus 2Z is B2. So Y is B2 minus 2Z. That means you have backward substituted Z, and that will give you Y is equal to B2 minus 2B3. Right? Now first row and this column gives you X plus 2Y plus 3Z equals to B1. Now you will substitute for Y, you will substitute for Z, and you will get X. So X is B1 minus 2 into B2 minus 2B3 minus 3 into B3. Have you understood the difference in this and this? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you are getting the answer in one go. Here you are doing backward substitution to get the answer. Now let's use it and try and solve some questions based on it. Right, first question. Just a minute. Note down first question. Apply Gauss elimination method. Apply Gauss elimination method to solve the system of equation write down the equation. Two x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. The second equation is 4x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 3. And the third equation is 2x minus 4y, sorry, minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. You have to use Gauss elimination. So what is the process? How we go about it? We will try and write it in the form of this, right? So form the matrix. The matrix is 2, 3, minus 1. This is equal to 5, 3, 2. The second row will be 4, 4 minus 3 and 2 minus 3, 2. Right? Now what will be our augmented matrix? Or you write small b we have used, so let us use a small b. Augmented matrix will be 5, 3, 2. Now what is our motive? Since we have to use Gauss elimination, our motive is to convert this matrix in upper triangular form. As I had discussed you, how do we go about it? We try to make this 0, this 0, and then we move in this direction and make this as 0, right? So first I'll focus on R2, then I'll focus on R3. So let's do it. First step, R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. Please keep solving with me. So this will be reduced into...
Ma'am, we can use column also in this.
No. Neither in Gauss
Okay, ma'am.
elimination nor in Gauss-Jordan. You cannot use column. You will use only row operations. Okay? So 2, 3, minus 1, 5, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 7. Please solve. 0, minus 6, 3, minus 3. Please check. Now next is we will make this as 0. Okay? How will you do that? Very simple. Next step. Second step. We'll make R3 goes to R3 plus 2. No. R3 minus 3. Minus 3. R2. They have same sign, na? Or we can divide it by 2 and then take the difference. Even that is okay. Let me do it in one step. Just a minute. So we can write R3 goes to R3 by 3 minus R2. Is this okay? So this will be 2, 3, minus 1, 5, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 7, 0, 0, 6, 18. Check carefully, please. Is this fine? Now you can divide this by 3. So fourth step, R3 goes to R3 by 6. So this will be 2, 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 7, 3. Now we are able to get the equation in matrix in upper triangular form. Now my one observation, I want you to see this carefully. When we say upper triangular form, we are focused
Excuse
on.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
And the second step is there 6 and 18. There will come 2 and 6. I think so, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Element A of 3, 3.
Element here of this element. See
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you have 3. Then sorry, this is 1.
Zero will.
This
That
will be
would be
1.
one.
1. And you are doing 1. Oh,
Plus 1.
yes, yes,
2.
yes. Yes. 1 plus 1 will give you 2.
2.
And this will give you 18. So 1 and 9 here you will get. This is correct, right? No. Just a minute. Let me check
Ma'am,
this.
2 and 6.
2 and 6.
Yes, ma'am. 2
Correct.
and 6.
Yes,
Correct,
ma'am. 2
correct.
and 6.
Let me correct it. 2 and 6. So 1 and 3 will come, right? 2 and 6 will give you 1 and 3. That's okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Now let's use back substitution. So I was telling you something. When we look for upper triangular matrix, actually we will look for upper triangular form in A part of it. Is that okay? Our focus is A, not A's to B to get upper triangular. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have things in upper triangular form and see how we will go about it. This is same as writing this, but the matrix A is changed into this. So I'm clearing the intermediate step and we will focus only on the last matrix.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please check again the element A of 3, 3 in the last matrix you just... I think that it should not be 1, it should be 1 by 3.
Oh, just a minute. Let me check it again. This we had, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This was right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you divide it by 3. So this will be minus 2 and this is 1 and this is minus 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we did? We tried to make this 0. How? Then this will be simply R3 minus R2. Right? So when you do it R3 minus R2, this part will be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And this part will be 2. Here it will be 2. This part.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this part will be minus 1 minus 1 plus 7. So minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So you will have 2 and 6. When you divide it by 2, make it R3 by 2, it will be 1 and 3. So we have written 1 and 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So I'm clearing this step. I'm only focusing on the last matrix that we have got. Okay, now see this. This gives us 2, 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, into x, y, z equals to, this is our right hand side, 5 minus 7, 3. Now check what will be the values. If you check this carefully, when you multiply last row, you will get only z. So that will give you z is equal to 3. Now you are multiplying second row with this, you are getting minus 2y minus z is minus 7. So minus sign is common. So 2y is 7 minus z. 2y is 7 minus 3, that is 4. So y is 2. So this is z value, this is y value. Now first row, first column. So this will give you 2x plus 3y minus z equals to 5. Substitute 2x plus 3 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 5. So this is 6 minus 3 gives you 3. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. This means x is 1. Have you understood this question carefully? Is this question understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write one more question. Solve 2x plus y plus 2z plus w equals to 6. Plus w equals to 6. The next equation is 6x minus 6y plus 6z plus 12w. This is 12, okay? W is equal to 36. 4x plus 3y plus 3z minus 3w is equal to minus 1, and 2x plus 2y minus z plus w equals to 10. Solve this equation using Gauss elimination method. So I am writing, you will write it in this form, Ax is equal to b. I am writing it in augmented matrix form. That means I am writing A is to B. This is equal to, now what is A? That is 2, 6, 4, 2, 1 minus 6, 3, 2, 2, 6, 3 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 1, 6, 36 minus 1 and 10. Please check.
मैम W की वैल्यू 12 है सेकंड में.
अच्छा
Excuse
अच्छा.
me.
हाँ हाँ
Ma'am,
sure.
in the second equation, we can take common as 6. So can I do that
No, not here. You will do it here
in the matrix?
in the matrix.
Okay.
When you are transforming it, you have to take it as it is. Whatever processing we have to do, we will do it in the matrix.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now if you want to simplify, please simplify.
Ma'am, but the equation will be the same only, right? Even if
Equation.
we change the equation.
Equation will not change, but the processed matrix will change, right? The output will remain same.
Okay.
intermediate steps will change. So now here, if you want, you can do it. That we will see. What do we want? Okay. So the first step, we have to make these zeros. Right? So in first step, since it is divisible and it is, we can see this, we will do R2 goes to R2 by 6. Okay. When you do it R2 by 6, you will get here 1. Okay. Now next step, can we process it here itself? We can.
Yes, ma'am.
We can. But I want to do it in 2 steps so that things are not difficult for us. Okay. Next step we will do R3 goes to R3 minus 2 R1. R4 goes to R4 minus R1. And let's see what you are getting. This will be 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 6, then 0, 3 minus 2 will give you 1, 3 minus 4 will give you minus 1, then minus 3 minus 2 will give you, minus 3 minus 2 will give you minus 5, minus 1, minus 12, minus 13. Please check values. And the last, this one, 0, 2 minus 1 gives you 1, minus 1 minus 2 gives you minus 3, 1 minus 1 gives you 0, and 10 minus 6 give you 4. Let's check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's
Okay.
correct.
Okay. Now the next step is, we will try to make this 0. So R2 goes to 2R2 minus R1. Okay. We can make this also as 0. It will not affect the other rows. So let's write this also. R4 goes to R4 minus R3. We can incorporate these 2 steps without any problem. So let's see what matrix we are getting. No change in the first row and no change in the third row. Now fourth row will change. 0, 1 minus 1 will give you 0, minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2, 0 minus 5 will give you 5, and 4 plus 13 will give you 17. Is this fine? 17. Now the second row. 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, then 12 minus 6, 6. Please check the calculation. Please check the calculation.
Correct.
Okay. Now if you see this carefully, we can make this as 0. We can make this as 0 and we can make this as 0. Okay. So first you try and make this as 0. What will you do? You will do, this was our second step. Now we will do third step. May I clear this part so that we can focus on the things?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm clearing intermediate steps. Right. So how to make this as 0? Obviously, we have to take help of this second row. So I'm writing, just see, R3 goes to R3 plus R2 by 2. Just check, is it okay?
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
do R3 by 3, sorry,
3.
R3 by 3, then this will become -1, and when you add, it will become 0. Now we are changing R3. Let's see. 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 0, -3, 0, 0, 3, and 6, 0, 0. Now -1 plus 0 is -1 only. -5 plus 1, -4. -13 plus 2, -11. Right? Okay. Now we have to see how this to be made 0. The fourth row, let me write the fourth row first. 0, 0, -2, 5, 17. Now I have to make this as 0. Okay. So the step will be R4 goes to R4 minus 2R3 and write the matrix. 2, 1, 2, 1, 6. We can write R2 goes to R2 by 3 to make it simple. 0, -1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, -1, -4, -11, and the last row 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 will give you 3, 17 plus 22 give you 39. Is this okay?
Should be 13 and 26.
Just a minute. What we did, R4 minus 2R3. R4 is 3, 2R3 is plus 8.
Ma'am, 13.
13 will be there.
Here,
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am,
The final
in the
matrix
next step.
5 plus
plus
8,
8, 13.
5 plus 8, 13. Sorry, I written 3. 5 plus 8, 13. Huh. Now, 13, 3s are 39. So next step you can make it 1 and 3. Right? This can be made as 1 and 3. So the last row will be 2, 1, 2, 1, 6. Then 0, -1, 0, 1, 2. Then 0, 0, -1, -4, -11. 0, 0, 0, 1, 3. Now if you check this matrix, this part is upper triangular matrix. Yes or no? This is your principal diagonal, and anything which is below the principal diagonal is 0. All right. This is upper triangular matrix. So we are able to convert it in upper triangular part. Now what will be the solution? Let me remove this part. Now the solution will be First row, first column. So the first equation will be 2x plus y plus 2z plus w equals to 6. Second equation will be minus y plus w is equal to 2. Third equation will be minus z minus 4w equals to minus 11. And last equation will be w is equal to 3. All right. Now use backward substitution. W is 3, so z will minus 4w. So 4w means 12. 11 minus 12 gives you minus 1. Now you shift to this part. Y will be w minus 2. Y is w minus 2. W is 3. That is 3 minus 2. That is 1. Now first equation 2x plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. So this will give you 2. Right? 2x is equal to 6 minus 2. That is 4. So x is 2. So the solution is x is 2, y is 1, z is minus 1, w is 3. This is the solution. Understood? Now let's proceed to the next type of problem, that is Gauss-Jordan problem. In these two problems, we have only converted in an upper triangular form and then we have used back substitution to solve it. Now write another question. Apply Gauss-Jordan method to solve the equations. Now we have to apply Gauss-Jordan. Okay, now the equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equals to 13. 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals to 40. Now this is the equation and we have to use Gauss-Jordan. Let's try. When you write it in A's to B form, this will be 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 9, 13, 14. Now remember, we have to use only row operations. Keep that thing in mind. So the first step will be, let's write the first step. R2 goes to R2 minus 2 R1. R3 goes to R3 minus 3 R1. Now let's write it. So this will be equivalent to 1, 1, 1. Please solve and give me the values. R2 minus 2 R1. So minus 3 minus 2 gives us minus 5. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 13 minus 18 gives us minus 5. Third row. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And 40 minus 27 gives us 13. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next step is we will try and make this as 0. Okay? So, we have to take help of this to make it 0. So, let's see what we will do. Second step, R3 goes to 5R3 plus R2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, that will be minus 3.
Which one?
R2. Where you have written
R2.
minus 5.
This is minus 3 and you are multiplying it by 2 and you are
Oh,
subtracting.
ma'am. I was doing wrong. Oh.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
May I proceed? All right. So let's see. No change in the first column. Second column, this will be 0. Third column, you are multiplying this by 5 and then you are adding. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 13 5s are 65. Right? 65 minus 5 gives you 60. So this is 60 minus 5 and 9. This is divisible by 12. So we will write R3 goes to R3 by 12. And see what we are getting. This is our third step. We are getting 1 0 0, 1 minus 5 0, 1 2 1 and 9 minus 5 5. Now our work is not over yet. We are doing Gauss-Jordan. That means we have to make it in IN. This part of the matrix should be IN, and we have to use only row operation. So what is the next thing that we have to do? We have to make this as 0, and we have to make this as 0, and then we will make this as 0. All right. So how do we do that? First, let's try and make use of R3 and see what we are getting. I'm clearing this part to get more space.
Ma'am, we have to convert it in upper triangular and lower triangular both?
No, we have to convert it in I form. We have already converted it in upper triangular. If the question was for Gauss elimination, we have finished it. But the question is for Gauss-Jordan, and Gauss-Jordan says you make it IN. So it's third order, so we have to make it I3. All right. So first I am making this as 0 and this as 0. How? R1 goes to, I am writing it in different colors so that you can make out that this we are starting after upper triangular. R1 goes to R1 minus R3. R2 goes to R2 minus 2R3. All right. Let's write it. Let's write it. 1 1 0 and 9 minus 5 gives you 4. Then next part, 0 minus 5, 2 minus 2 gives you 0, minus 5 plus 10, minus 5 minus 10. Let's check. You are multiplying it by 2 and then you are taking the difference. So when you multiply it by 2, it becomes 10, minus 5 and minus 10 gives you minus 15. And the last row is 0, 0, 1 and 5. Please check the calculation. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, if you check R2, R2 can be divided by minus 5. Okay. So we are dividing R2 goes to R2 by minus 5, and this matrix will be 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 0 0 1, 4 3 5. Is this fine? Now the only hurdle that we have is this one. Okay, and we can make it 0 by using second row. So R1 goes to R1 minus R2. And see what we are getting. 1 0 0, R1 minus R2, so 4 minus 3 gives you 1, 0 1 0 3, 0 0 1 and 5. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
we had
Yes,
this
ma'am.
matrix which is upper triangular matrix, and now we got this matrix which is normal form. This part is normal form, but don't get confused with the way we use to find normal form. Okay, here we have to use row operation only. Keep write it 2 times 3 times so that you remember it. Now when we have to find the solution of it, now see how easy it is. Now I'm writing the solution of it. See, this 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 x y z equals to 135. Now when you multiply, what will you get? You will get x as 1, y as 3, z as 5. Now have you understood what is the difference between Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In Gauss Jordan, you directly get the answer. You need not to use any kind of back substitution. And in Gauss elimination, you have to use back substitution to get the solution. Now I'm giving you one more question. Please solve it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And whether it is Gauss Jordan or Gauss elimination, in both the cases we have to use only row operations.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Only row operation. Now write next question. Solve with the help of Gauss-Jordan method. I'm writing the equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 3. X plus 2y plus 3z equals to 4. X plus 4y plus 9z equals to 6. So I'm giving you the matrix, augmented matrix 1 1 1, 1 2 4, 1 3 9, and then 3 4 6. Now till the time I take attendance, I want you to solve this. Okay?
By which method, ma'am?
Gauss Jordan beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Use Gauss Jordan. Everyone please solve. And ask if you have any doubt.
Ma'am, what are the values of
Ma'am,
x,
I'm
y, z?
getting 2, 1, and 0.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2, 1, and
Yes,
0.
X
ma'am.
is
2
equal
and
to
0.
2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0.
Sudhanshu, you are not audible, beta. There is some network issue.
I'm getting 2, 1 and 0.
The same here, ma'am.
Can you write it and post it on the chat? I'll see.
Ma'am, same here, 210.
210.
There is some network problem.
Chat is disabled.
Reply to the
Sudhanshu,
meeting.
nothing is audible to me.
Reply to the meeting.
X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 0. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
others?
Same, ma'am.
Same
Same,
answer.
ma'am.
Very good, Parth.
Same, ma'am.
Same answer.
Same, ma'am.
Please post it so that I can see. There is some network issue. You people are not audible
Yes,
to
ma'am.
me.
210.
Nothing is audible, bacha. Sagar. Yes, Sagar. What about Sudhanshu? Will you please post what you have calculated so that we can discuss the answer?
Ma'am, I have posted on general.
Sarang. Rajwal, yes, okay. Now, since 4 people have posted, I'm assuming the rest of you will be able to get. And this is the right answer. Can anyone show me what you have done? I hope none of you have used column operation, which is only row operation.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's. Any doubt to anybody in this particular concept?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everybody is comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to write our attendance in the general or chat box? Ma'am, we have
Please
to
write
our...
it because you people are not audible to me. I don't know what has happened all of a sudden. Nobody is audible. I'm just. Please post it. Post your attendance. I'm trying to get it. And once your attendance is marked, make sure that you check it very same day. All right?